Who says castles are only made of bricks and stones? Look at this, mine is made of tissue rolls. Yes, the same rolls that usually end up in the dustbin. Today, they became kings and queens of my DIY world. A little paper, a little glue. Boom, suddenly, I own real estate in fairyland. Some people build houses, I build empires with tissue rolls. If a tissue roll can become a castle, imagine what you can become with a little creativity. So next time we finish a tissue roll, don't throw it away, maybe your dream kingdom is hiding inside it. This castle is not just a craft. It's a reminder that even simple things can turn into something magical when we add love and imagination. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.